motion in my mind. You move in slow motion, heart on repeat. Fading waves, but I can't delete. Your touch still lingers, sweet and clear. Slow motion, heart, you're still here. Broken lines on a quiet screen. Your message lost in a silver dream. I still hum your melody in the space where you used to be. You move in slow motion, heart on repeat. Fading waves, but I can't delete. Your touch still lingers, sweet and clear. Slow motion, heart, you're still here. In my sleep, I still see you. Slow motion, painted blue. Smile while the lights grow dim. You say my name, it fades within. The words we kept begin to blur. I'm still here, but not sure. Every sound feels far away. Every truth we used to say, now it's softer, now it's gone. But I'm still holding on. Why do we pretend no one can tell us a secret I keep to while I'm still breathing, faint and pale, like a ghost beneath my skin. Quiet breaking, fading slow with the quiet rhythms go. No goodbye, no spot, no wait, just quiet weekend. Your shadow moves across the floor. We don't reach for each other anymore. Every moment feels the same, but I whisper your name. Every tear just disappears before it even reappears. We fall apart inside our brains, still wearing the same names. Quietly breaking, no come true as pieces next to you. Every breath a tender ache, every heartbeat starts to shake, quietly breaking, fading slow underneath the afterglow. Goodbye, no spark, no wake, just quietly breaking. The time just freeze for no reason in the air between. There's a silence left by you, a space I never learned to fill. Your shadow still follows me in every quiet part I keep. I try to wash your name away, but it lingers when I breathe. I've been praying just to forget, but my heart remembers yet. The way you used to see the world still echoes in my chest. What remains in me isn't pain, isn't me, just a trace of what we used to be, a quiet ghost of you and me. What remains in me is a calm that's bittersweet. I'm alright, I'm moving through, but I still carry you. But I still carry you. Like the first soft rain, falling slow then gone again, leaving marks beneath my feet that never really fade away. And I keep walking down the road where your laughter used to glow. Sometimes I hear your voice again in the wind that doesn't know. Everything's come and gone, but not everything moves on. You're still there between the lines of every song I write. What remains in me is a love, is a grief, just the rhythm that we made, still beating underneath. What remains in me needs a reason to be true. I've let you go completely, but I still belong to you. But I still belong to you. So I'll let you stay quietly as part of who I am now. Is the warmth of what once grew. You're no longer here with me, but somehow you still do. beneath the silver waves. The night still glows the way it did when we were more than just a wish. Your shadow leans against the street, the quiet hum of what we'd be. The world moved on, but I remain. The moonlight catch your name. Moonlight catch your name when everything else changed. The stars forgot the dawn erased, but moonlight catch your name. Whisper to the sky, shimmer back in kind. No matter what I claim, the moonlight catch your name. Your laughter hums in distant air, a ghost that glows still unaware. The nearest fate, the night's decay, but you're the light that doesn't fade. Silence hums our old refrain. The softest song still sounds the same. The world forgot the things we claimed. The moonlight kept your name. Just hides where shadows run. Every night I see the same, the glow, and there's your name. Moonlight kept your name when I let go in vain. It shines beyond the pain. The moonlight kept your name. I dream you just the same in every silver flame. Time forgot our flame. The moonlight kept your name. Kept your name. Kept your name. There's a place the world can't see, where I go to breathe in peace, far away from noise and light. Only silence feels so right. I sit beneath the fading glow, where the time moves soft and slow. Nothing here can pull me fast, I just let the moment pass. And there I fade away, from the world that shines so deep. In the place where I hide myself, a light of me and any else. The quiet knows my name, and I never ask for blame. In the place where I hide myself, I hold my pain like something else, not to make it disappear, but to keep it safe right here. Not everything must be known. Some truths grow and left alone. The world can wait outside while I find what I've denied. The past still hums beneath my skin. I let its warmth come drifting in. The ghosts don't scare me now, they just remind me how. And when I choose to return, 'cause I'm gone.